Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Aishi Birdkul. Today on my list is Lakshman Jhula Ghost Stops, and today I'm going to reveal something which no other vlog will reveal to you guys. So getting here isn't easy. यहाँ पे आने के लिए तुमको करनी पड़ेगी बोट या फिर तुमको आना पड़ेगा राम झूले से घूम के. It was still okay until you see these many stair guys. So I climbed up all the way and I was like, oh my god, but the staff was really nice. They came and helped me with my luggage guys, so I like the hospitality here. And then when I reached, they offered me water. So guys, on the ground floor only the Ghost Stops has their cafe, and I don't think people generally come over here because there are a lot many good options over here in Lakshman Jhula. So guys, now I'm going up and they have lift as well. So this was my dorm and the space was very less what I felt, and also the balcony view is like no, nah, never ever. But the washroom was really nice. So one thing which really pissed me off is that you have to install an app, and through that app only you can access the dorm or any room. So like you need to have that Bluetooth on always and the app opened in order to access your dorm, which I felt unnecessarily tedious. And guys, this is the common area. It's on first floor, which was really nice. You can do work and there was a lot to play there. And now coming to the main part of Ghost Stops Lakshman Jhula, the terrace view. The terrace view is just amazing guys, and you can see all the jhulas over here, and like they have made it so rustic and modern both. So here you get the full Ganga view guys. The location is really amazing because you get access to so many amazing cafes around here. And also guys, if you need any other information, then do comment down below. Bye bye.